Hi, my name is Leah and this is my documentary about my year at college and the importance of college in general.
And it's a way to prepare for life.
What's the best thing you've experienced since you've started here at college?
Probably making friends and just the education. I think it's all very important.
Yeah. If you had to pick one memory since you started college, what would your favourite memory be?
The Thankfest. It's like the first time I actually got to know people, and it's the first time I got a taste of what college will really be like.
What does college mean to you?
College is like a place where you can learn more things that you didn't know before and make new friends.
Do you enjoy college?
Yeah.
Is college better than you thought it would be?
Yeah. I didn't realise what it was like.
What's the best thing you've learnt since you started here at college?
Probably time management, and like if you've got something that's due in first, to do that before anything else. You don't like prioritise what's first over what's due later.
What do you plan to do after college?
That's a good question. If I don't get the grades that I need for maths and English, to find an apprenticeship or something. But if I do, then I'll be staying hopefully to do the public health